Namaste students, welcome to WinMaths. In this video, we are going to learn to arrange the given set of numbers in ascending order. Before going to start this video, we should know the meaning of the ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the things from small to big, which means in this question they are given some numbers like these four numbers they are given. We need to arrange this all the numbers from small to big. So here we are going to use one trick, that is the easiest way to find the smallest number from the set of given numbers, and it is very easy to compare the numbers also. To find the smallest to biggest number, first thing is we need to draw the place value chart, and here we are going to use the Indian place value chart. So as we discussed in the previous videos, it is comes with ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores. Ones period is having ones, tens, hundreds places. Same way, thousand is having thousand and 10,000 places. Lakh is having lakhs and 10 lakhs places. Crore is having crore and 10 crore places. We'll take the first number. We'll arrange this number in Indian place value chart, starting from rightmost digit. Rightmost three digits will come in ones period. So I wrote 496 in ones. Next three digits, that is 53, will come in thousands. I wrote 53 in thousands. 85 will come in lakhs. Then last digit is 1, which will come in crores period and in crore place. Here they are not given one digit, so therefore I left it blank. Now we'll go to the next number. In that next number, 896 will come in ones period, 34 will come in thousands period, 85 will come in lakhs period, remaining three digits, that is 33, will come in crores period. Here we finish the second number. We'll move to the third number. Again, starting from the rightmost three digits, that is 896 will come in ones period, 34 will come in thousands period, 85 will come in lakhs period, 43 will come in crores period. And last number we'll take, and that also will arrange. These three nines, that is 999, will come in ones period. Next two digits, that is 99, again will come in thousands period. Two more 9 are there, that again will come in lakhs. Remaining one digit, that is a 9, which is come in crores period and crores place. This place will leave blank because they are not given the two digits, they are given only one digit. Here we arrange all the set of numbers in Indian place value chart. Now we will compare the numbers starting from highest periods to lowest period. If you look at the highest period, that is a crore. In this one we have 1 crore. First number we have a 1 crore. Second number we have 33 crores. Third number 43 crores. Fourth number 9 crore. If you look at this, these two numbers will become greater. This 1 crore is smallest. Therefore, we'll take this first number as the smallest number. So I wrote here as the first smallest number. And remaining are 3. Out of these 3, we know that this 9 crore is smallest, second smallest. So again I will put a 2 for this number at an here. And we left with only two numbers. One is 33 crore and another one is 43 crore. We know that this 33 is the third smallest number. So therefore I will write 3 for this number, and biggest number is this one, that I will write it for the. Hence ascending order equals to, we got the first number as 1 crore 86 lakh. Hence ascending order we got it as 1 crore 85 lakhs 53,496. Second smallest number we got it as 9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999. Third number we got it as 33 crore 85 lakhs 34,896. And last biggest number we got it as 43 crore 85 lakhs 34,896. This way we will arrange the given set of numbers in ascending order. We will take one more problem and we will understand it in better way. We will do it very quick way. Just look at this. Here they are given the set of 4 numbers. First thing, we will arrange these numbers into Indian place value chart. So we need to draw the place value chart like this: ones, thousands, lakhs and crore periods. We will take the first number, we will arrange that one into periods. So 349 will come in ones period, 96 will come in thousands period, 58 will come in lakhs period. We'll go to the next number. 349 will come in ones period, 96 will come in thousands period, 68 will come in lakhs period. We finish the second number, we move to the third number. In that again 348 will come in ones period, 96 will come in thousands period, 58 will come in lakhs period. And last we'll go to the this number. In this number 348 will come in ones period, 96 will come in thousands period, and remaining 68 will come in lakhs period. Here we arranged. After this we need to compare the numbers starting from highest periods to lowest period. If we look at the highest period, here we have 58 lakhs, here we have 68 lakhs, 58 lakhs, 68 lakhs. We need to arrange these numbers in ascending order, which means we need to find the smallest number first. So we'll skip this 68 periods. We'll look at these two numbers, that is 58 lakhs, 58 lakhs, both are equal. We'll move to the next second smallest period. Here also we have a 96, here also we have 96,000, same. We'll move to the last period, that is of ones. If you look at in ones, here we have 349, and another number we have 348, which means this is the first number. So I will put the first number for this one, and this number became the second. So I will put the second for 349. Now we'll look at remaining two numbers. Out of these two, we need to choose the third smallest. We have 68 in the lakhs. In thousands, we have again same as 96,000, 96,000. And if you look at the ones period, here we have one number as 349, another number we have 348. We need to choose the smaller, so therefore this number 348 became third number. So therefore I put a third for this, and last we got the biggest number as this one, that is 68,96,349. We got first, second, third and fourth numbers, and I mentioned also at here. Now we will write the order in small to big. Hence ascending order equals to, first number we got it as 58,96,348. Second number we got it as 58 lakhs 96,349. Third number we got it as 68 lakhs 96,348, and biggest number we got it as 68 lakhs 96,349. This way we will arrange the given set of numbers in ascending order, that is small to big.